Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. And this video is a voiceover. So a couple of days ago I saw beautiful sunshine, and I always want to make a video of this beautiful sunshine. So my family has time, so they drove me. I took some video of the neighborhood. It's just the very ordinary neighborhood, but it's good to see people taking care of their life and live a life. It's quite enjoyable to see good, beautiful, very cared, very well cared scenery. And I want to do a voiceover to blah 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 with you, something that I have recently received from one friend. Okay, now let me pull up that page. So one friend said that he asked my advice. It's kind of I'm not really giving an advice. So this friend has a co-worker or friend that got job terminated, and but there is a problem of this person who has been terminated because he was not serious enough, and he was just not serious enough in his work, and always making trouble. People told him, you need to be more serious, you need to pay attention to your work, to this and that, but he never really changed himself, and it's just small problems started to accumulate until this breaking point that this person made big trouble, make a big mistake, and the employer could not deal with it, do not want to keep on having this headache, and want to say bye-bye to it once and for all. And this friend asked my friend, this co-worker who has been fired, asked my friend, how about if you talk to the boss, because they work together, you talk to the boss and find me another job and do this and that. So my friend was kind of hard to decide, should I help, should I not, should I stay or should I go? So it is a hard decision, and one thing I always say, and I always try, never give up, always give person another chance. Kindness can save life, and no matter how much the other person betray you or not treating you well or do not deserve, you treat something does not because of this person, but treat this matter as a matter. Do not think about friendship. You are helping him. It's not because he is your friend. And if you think friend is the standard for you to help, maybe that makes a lot of things difficult. You think this is a person that needs help, and I have the ability to help, then I help. And if I do not have the ability to help this person, then I am done with it. You have to exhaust your ability to help, and then you have no regret. And if you have already exhausted all your ability and still doesn't work, you can stay peace at night with no regret. And that is what you want to do. You want to make the best effort and exhaust your last resource to help. So first, for example, for what I'm thinking, if you talk to your boss and ask your boss to give another chance, this really doesn't hurt you any much. The boss can make the right decision. The boss's decision will not be influenced much by your making suggestion or not. If your boss is a qualified boss, or if a right boss, he get to that job because he could make sensible decision. And you asking the boss to help, maybe you can make a tipping point, let the boss to consider this matter in a more global way. Maybe it's a small problem, not that much, but the rumor made that guy looks so bad. Or maybe he has maybe that guy who had made trouble have other ability, have something else to fit into his ability. For example, what do I say? I tell you a story. There was one little boy has ADHD. I learned from one of our teacher trainer, and had problem all his life in school. And the mother never ever give up. Never ever ever never. The mother never give up. The mother is she's a wonderful educator, and find this way and that way, give her to special school, and give her special education, and finally now her son became a firefighter, because he always liked to jump trees and to climb trees, climb walls. Now he can climb and jump, and he was a firefighter, and his ability was in the right use. So for that person, maybe we do not see what was the best suit, but the boss could see what was the best suit. And also always remember, kindness can save life. You say something good for a person in trouble, your boss will not think bad of you. Your boss will appreciate you more. A person with good heart will always be appreciated, so it will not hurt you. And if you say a little word about that person and think more openly out of the box, think something that that person is good at, something like it. Or in the worst case, it didn't help, that is his life. That is his life. It is very hard for us to accept the unfortunate result of the people that we are close to, but we can only do this much. Later you will have your own children, your own family. It's heartbreaking. Any person is an individual spirit is an individual life. We can influence as much as we can, but we cannot change another person's life. It's his life. He will make decision. And be kind, and exhaust your resource, exhaust all what you can do, and then you can sleep well without any regret. You are a kind person. People will appreciate kindness. Kindness can save life. and I will put it into another story in another video. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I hope this can help you a little bit. Enjoy sunshine. Enjoy sunset. I love you. I really do.